Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I was working out here on the shower house, and we're about an hour from the town. I ran out of propane to solder the copper pipes together. I started thinking about the flare versus the lock video and realized I had some flares. Let's take a look. This is a pretty cool little trick that might be something that you'll use in the future. So I was making a repair in the shower house, and I ran out of fuel for my propane to do some soldering. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to try these road flares, and we're just going to see if that'll get hot enough, because it's about an hour drive, so an hour out, hour back. Let's just see if this will work. Got the flux on there. Let's go ahead and fire up a flare and put some solder on it and see what it does. Oh yeah, it's running all the way around. Yep, it's just flowing right through the flux. Perfect. So in a real quick pinch, road flare, it works just the same as a torch. I have to clean up the mess right there, but other than that, it should work really good. Not bad. So take a look, and you can see a little bit of goopy gop right there, but it flowed really well. You know, once that got hot and it fluxed, solder flowed right down into the joint. Look at this one. This one's much better. It was the first one I did. And if you look at this back side of this one, it's got a little goopy on there, but you know, this will all be able to be sanded off and should be in good shape. A flare worked really good. I mean, check it out. Real great. Barnyard soldering. Barnyard soldering. It works great. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drainge, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.